Well, it's Tuesday morning, about 10 a.m. Trying to get out of here. We're gonna go visit a bunch of farmers, and I'm gonna bring my little guy with me. You ready to go, buddy? All right. Are we loaded yet?
Yes. I want to bring this.
Okay, you better bring those and play with some pallets and pallet jack on the road. All right. You guys help me get all ready. Thank you. Got all my literature.
Do you want me to carry this?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay.
Hey, Jack.
Video or what?
Hi, stranger. So we've loaded 2 orders. We're gonna deliver some stainless steel and some used spiked wheels. Actually, I sold some old inventory of spiked wheels, some gauge wheel tires for a guy. We're dropping those off near Bowdle, South Dakota, just north of Gettysburg. But the load's looking pretty good here. All right, you ready, buddy? Let's hop in your seat. Well, I think that's the air cart that we got to go look at, that we're rebuilding. I met up with Matt at Full Circle Ag in Britain, South Dakota. And they're probably gonna make a pass back. They're gonna laugh when they see my shoes. What do you guys think? This is my election socks right here. Hey, Jeremy.
Hey, how are you doing?
Good, I'm Matt, the other twin.
You look identical.
I know, I told Matt, if you see me and you think I'm Jesse, don't be alarmed. Well, the guys are filling the cart. See you later, thank you. Blessings. And we're gonna let them finish up what they're doing in this field and get back on the road. We got a couple more farmers to visit, and we gotta do it before it gets too later. So on the road we go. So I'm over here at Hillcrest Farms. Ron and Roger. Yep. Ron and Roger Johnson, right?
Yep.
And just had a good time with these guys, but checking out their drill. And someone found some mud. Gonna have to try to wash that off.
Do we wash it off? Here we go.
There you go. There you go. Now you won't be my stuff all bleeding. Yeah.
What would you think? Yeah, absolutely. Buddy wants to get in the picture too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thanks again, guys.
Yep.
You bet.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
You bet.
Yep.
We'll be in touch. And
Yep.
so we're gonna head to Andover now. We're gonna head to Andover. We got a fair bit of driving to do. We have one more guy to visit, and then we got to find a place to stay for the night. Well, it's day 2 of our adventure in South Dakota. We did get a couple more visits in, and it was dark, but we got them done and inspected a few carts and drills. We got up this morning and got our breakfast and got on the road. We're near Bowdle, South Dakota, and we got to drop off an order here for Agtegra for a farmer who actually works for them and is just requesting we drop it off here for him. Let's go in and get that done. We'll get rid of one of our pallets here. I know one thing, these air springs have been just incredible, phenomenal for leveling out the truck. You can even see right now, even with a good 1,000 pounds on, maybe 1,500, it looks like it's level. So we'll get this unloaded and get it done. That was easy. The guys are real good here. Oh yes, I get to finally close my tailgate. All right, the John Deere hog is still in there. Let's see if the guy riding it is still in here. Hey buddy, are you still here? Ready to go visit the next person?
Nah, can't get out.
Yeah, you want to get out, don't you? Well, we got to get going and then we can get out. So, a couple more minutes, we'll be at the next stop. Just pulling in the yard of our next stop here. Got a John Deere drill and cart over here. I'm just gonna park over here. I think he must be out in the field, so we'll see the farmer soon. Tara?
Yeah, hey.
All right, hey. Do you shake?
Yeah, sure.
Cool.
Hi.
I already dropped off my son over there, so he's already checking out all your equipment.
Oh,
I
okay.
got a 4-year-old with me.
Okay.
But yeah, let's go look at this. And tell him what you rode in yesterday.
Quad track
A quad
Yeah.
track. What color?
case.
Case.
Yeah, what
That's
color is case?
Red.
Red. Well, thanks again, Tara.
Yeah.
We'll make a plan and we'll get in touch with you and
Yeah.
go from there. Well, they gave us a couple potatoes. Are these actually your guys' potatoes?
Yep.
Cool. Right out of their garden, I suppose. And so we got a couple of those to give back, or to take back with us. And we're gonna get off here. All right, Russell, we better get loaded here.
Yeah.
He's gonna show you some puppies.
Yeah. Let's go see the
Can you?
puppies.
Are you gonna leave your bike here for them to
No.
ride?
No. That's too small.
You need to keep this with you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I want to ride a tractor over there.
That doesn't even have training wheels on anymore.
No, he once those came off, he's never gonna get those back on.
Yeah.
So we made a little pit stop here and found some puppies. Look at those cute puppies. Did you do this? Great job, Mom. What do you think of this, huh? Pretty cool, huh? All kinds of little puppies. Yeah. Well, we're on our way to the next stop, Woolsey, North Dakota. And after you got a little nap in, right? We're hungry, so we're gonna get some food. We just got stopped at DQ here and got a chicken strip basket, a cheeseburger, and a sundae. Yum. So we'll be off on the road here shortly, but next stop at 1:10 p.m. We'll go from there. Well, we're at the stop near Woolsey. Gonna pick up some parts to reverse draw for stainless. That's on a Flexi-coil cart we haven't done everything on yet. And turns out that Russell is getting another ride. Seems like a requisite. He's got to drive a tractor whenever he goes somewhere. Imagine that. So if you guys are looking for a tractor driver, give him a call. He probably will take you up on it. But you also have to have animals. That really helps too. Oh yeah. Gotta remember to give Andy a bucket. Can't forget that. I'll get a side view here. Oh yeah. Need a little help there. Whew. It is a warm one. I got gnats biting me all over the place.
Not me.
I think they're gnats or something.
Not me. None are biting me.
Well, we're on to our next stop. That's good.
But none are biting me. None
There's our plow tractor.
And I gotta drive that.
Yeah, you got to drive that. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, what are you gonna do on the way to the next farm?
Drive a payload.
You're gonna drive a payloader at the next farm.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we'll see what happens. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says Lakeview Colony. Got a John Deere tractor and a baler.
And tell them about where we live.
Here's their own elevator system. Almost to the next location in Kennebec, South Dakota. So once we get there, we'll look at a cart here. Probably gonna be a 3-tank rebuild, 550 bushel cart. I'll do some video of it so you can see one of these visits that we do.